अस्सलाम वालेकुम और आज मैं अपनी बड़ी ज़हीन क्लास के साथ मौजूद हूँ। आज हम प्रैक्टिस शेयर करने जा रहे हैं आपके साथ। I ask a question. May I go now? What happened? क्या हुआ? What happened? क्या हुआ? Tell me. मुझे बताओ। Don't worry. परेशान मत हो। I'm ready. May I go to restroom? Keep smiling. हंसते रहें. Keep smiling. हंसते रहें. Look at the board. Look at the man. Look at the sky. Check my work. Check my work. Listen carefully. Check my work. Run fast. Says Babu. Run fast. Skip a line. एक लाइन छोड़ दो. Stand properly. I want to talk to you. My turn. Wait a minute. Come here. Go there. Come here. Go there. Right. Neat and clean. Would you like tea or coffee? अगर बेटा घर में मेहमान आ जाते हैं तो उनको पूछेंगे कि आप टी लेंगे या कॉफी लेंगे? Would you like tea or coffee? Would you like? I can do it. मैं कर सकता हूँ. I can swim. I can write. I can read. I can speak. Speak loudly. ऊंचा बोले. Okay, students, thanks for listening. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.